Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamars. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, sizzling success. A smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill review in the world of indoor grilling, finding the perfect balance between flavor-packed barbecue and a smoke-free environment has been a culinary quest for many. Enter the smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill, a revolutionary kitchen gadget that promises to bring the joy of barbecuing indoors without the inconvenience of smoke. In this review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall experience of this innovative product. The first impression of the smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill is its sleek and compact design. The unit boasts a modern aesthetic that seamlessly fits into any kitchen decor. The build quality is sturdy, with high-quality materials ensuring durability over time. The grill features a non-stick cooking surface, making it easy to clean and maintain. Smokeless technology, the standout feature of this electric grill, is its promise of a smoke-free experience. Utilizing advanced smoke extraction technology, the grill claims to eliminate the nuisance of smoke, making it suitable for indoor use. Adjustable temperature control, the grill offers precise temperature control, allowing users to customize the heat according to their preferred cooking style. This feature ensures versatility, making it suitable for grilling a variety of foods, from delicate vegetables to thick cuts of meat. Easy assembly and disassembly, setting up the grill is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. It can be easily assembled and disassembled, making it convenient for storage or transportation. Putting the smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill to the test, its performance exceeded expectations. The grill heated up quickly, reaching the desired temperature within minutes. The adjustable temperature control allowed for precise cooking, resulting in perfectly grilled food every time. One of the most impressive aspects was the effectiveness of the smokeless technology. Throughout the cooking process, there was minimal to no smoke produced, creating a pleasant and comfortable environment in the kitchen. This feature makes it an excellent choice for apartment dwellers or those without outdoor grilling space. The non-stick surface proved to be as advertised, preventing food from sticking and simplifying the cleaning process. The grill's size was adequate for preparing meals for a small family or a couple, making it suitable for everyday use. Users will appreciate the simplicity and convenience offered by the smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill. The ease of assembly, efficient smokeless technology, and customizable temperature control contribute to an enjoyable cooking experience. Additionally, the minimalistic design and easy cleaning make it a practical choice for those seeking a hassle-free indoor grilling solution. The smokeless indoor electric barbecue grill delivers on its promise of a smoke-free indoor grilling experience. With its sleek design, reliable performance, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a valuable addition to any kitchen.